If you are feeling alone and you feel that you have not much friends, then this video is for you. We live in a world where we are connected more than ever before through internet. However, deep inside us, we might still feel lonely. You can have thousands of followers and hundreds of likes, yet you still wonder if anyone truly knows you, because being online isn't the same as being known in real life. You can scroll through some social apps and dating websites and meet someone, yet you are not sure the authenticity of that person, whether if he or she is real or they might be a scammer looking to con you or have ulterior motive. Therefore, we are much lonely in real life compared to being online. This video is asking every one of us to be real, to find something deeper and something that lasts forever. It's about finding real friends in real life. How do you do so? Maybe you meet a stranger, you can politely approach that person to ask whether we can be friends or not. You introduce yourself and say hello, and make sure to respect the person also. Why? Because finding friends online has the risk that the person is not real or the person is another scammer. So it's better to meet the person in real life and make friends like that. You might be surprised that there are more lonely people in real life, because most of us don't really get used to socializing, because some of us are introverts and have lesser friends and social circle, but these people tend to be more real and they are worth to become friends with. Let's be honest, we all felt the pressure to present the perfect version of ourselves, filtered, edited and polished, but deep inside we crave for authenticity. We want to be real towards ourselves. Not applause, not attention, just being seen and loved, being loved for us being ourselves. The internet offers us connection, but it often leaves us feeling hollow inside, because connection without presence isn't the same as true friendship, where you meet the person in real life and you build memories together, play together, enjoy things together. This kind of human-to-human relationship isn't something that ChatGPT or some online friends can help you to satisfy that need. Real friends can't be bought with money, because if you pay for a service or something, then there's an intention through this relationship. Like having a relationship with God and Jesus is about you and Him, and it doesn't involve any ulterior motive except when we pray for it, but it doesn't involve some monetary value inside it. Real friends in real life. Real friends show up when you need them most. They hear the silence behind you, like I'm fine, but you are actually not fine. They celebrate your wins and stay through your mess. They remind you who you are when you forget. They are there for you when you are at your lowest, as in the Bible verse, Proverbs chapter 27 verse 17. As iron sharpens iron, so one friend sharpens another. Even if you feel very lonely, do remember that there's God, and you can develop your relationship with Jesus and God and tell Him about your worries, and even can ask Him to send some friends for you to make in real life, and maybe He'll answer your prayers, but do wait for it. For example, speaking in front of the camera also. Being real means letting your guard down. It means to say that this is me, I have flaws. Everyone has flaws, okay? But you are being real. The right people will meet you there. They will feel that something in you resonates with them, and people who love Jesus will love you and will walk life with you. When you are real, the right people will appreciate you, but the wrong people will definitely want you to be better and change you for the version that they have inside their mind. Challenge and encouragement. Maybe today's the day to put down your phone and pick up the phone to call someone, your old friend, your old colleague, or someone in your high school friends. Maybe it's time to let go of the surface level and build deep soul connection with another real person. Maybe you can go to social events and approach some strangers and take up your courage, be courageous to approach that person to ask to introduce yourself and ask and to get to know that person by respecting that person also. If that person rejects, then you walk away. But it's a good practice to build up your confidence also if you are very introvert also. So, you were not meant to do life alone. And you don't need to be perfect to be loved. Just be real. Find the ones that make you better. Stay away from toxic people and hold on to them like the soul depends on it, because it just might. And the friendship or relationship can last for years also. So make sure you appreciate the connection between you people and also with God. If you find this video helpful, please share it to your friends and family. And I hope that this video help you and also add value into your life.